good, Grill Gains? This week we're doing honey garlic meal prep. It's easy to make, simple, and cheap. Let's get into it. All right, starting with the carrots, we're gonna cut the tops off, peel the carrots, and then cut them into evenly sized small pieces. Put these on a pan, add oil, salt, and honey. Give these a good mix and throw them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. We're also going to do grilled green beans today. Hit it with the works, oil, salt and pepper. That's it. Give it a good mix. Put it in a grill basket and we're ready to go. Let's make a quick rub for our chicken. Very simple: garlic, onion powder, salt, pepper. That's it. Oil your chicken down, be generous with the seasoning on both sides, and it's ready for the grill. To make the honey garlic glaze, combine soy sauce, rice vinegar, minced garlic, fresh ginger, honey, and oil in a pan over medium. Let it simmer until it's thick and glossy. Save some to glaze the chicken and save some for a sauce at the end. Direct heat, hot and fast for the chicken. We'll let it get a nice sear and char and finish it on the indirect side and pull it at about 175. Once your chicken is just about finished, you want to add that honey garlic glaze on top. Do that for both sides and let the glaze tack up a bit while the chicken finishes cooking. Green beans on next, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Don't forget to pull your carrots out the oven. Let's slice up the chicken. Look how glossy it came out. Here's our spread for the meals. We're going to make 4 containers today. Add a nice even layer of rice, followed by the green beans, followed by carrots, followed by the chicken. Lastly, add a bit of your leftover glaze on top. This came out colorful and delicious, and it was a very simple effort to make. All right, I'm ready for the week. If you like this video, give it a like. Down below, let me know if you would make this meal. I'll see you on the next one.